we have to do subtraction, decimal numbers. First, we have to have them in vertical columns, and decimal points have to be in the same column, so everything is okay. Next, we have in the last decimal number 5 decimal places, and in the first we have 4, so we can add extra 0 at the end. And now when we have the same decimal places in both numbers, we subtract decimal numbers like we subtract whole numbers. So we start from the last column and we are going to the left side. What else? In my opinion, is very easy when we first check if we have on the top numbers greater than on the bottom. 0 is less than 2, so we have to do borrowing. From 1, I borrow 1, so now will be 0, and at the end we have 10. Next, we have 0 and 7, so 0 is less than 7, so we have to borrow 1 from 4, so will be 3. And now I will have 10 here. And 8 is greater than 5, 3 and 3 we can do. So now we can go to subtraction. Like I said, we start from the last column. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 7 is 3. You see, now it's very easy to do subtraction. 3 minus 3 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. We keep decimal point in the same column. 0 minus 0 is 0. And now you can always check. 0.030338. We copy the result and we add 0.05372. When we add decimal numbers, again, like subtraction, we have to keep the same columns. Decimal point must be in the same column. It's very important. And now we start from the last column. 8 plus 2 is 10, so we have to write 0 and we add 1 to next column, so will be 11, 1, and we add 1 to next column, so will be 4, 3 plus 5 is 8, 0 plus 0 is 0. We keep decimal point in the same column. 0 plus 0 is 0. What we got? The same what we have at the beginning. So our solution is correct.